Good day, gentlemen. Welcome to the Remarkable Man Project. In today's video, you are capable of so much more. You can feel it. So why are you stuck? We'll get to the bottom of this and what to do to get unstuck. Let's go. Hey, my friends, Dwayne Klassen here, and welcome to the Remarkable Man Project. Wow, we got a big video here for you today. This one comes from all the emails I get from my clients and from the men out there, and also experience that I've had in my life about getting stuck. Like, you know you're here to play a big game. You're here to be fucking remarkable, to truly live your best life. And you know this, and yet you are still stuck in the ick, the frustration, and the challenges of expanding beyond your limitations. So in today's video, we're going to address it, what's going on, why it's happening, and what to do about it. So you want to stay to the end. We got some nuggets to unpack here. If you're brand new to the channel, welcome to the Remarkable Man Project. This is your space where we are here to challenge 1 million men worldwide to step up their game and be remarkable. You know, we are living in this crazy clown show, upside down world of this woke agenda. And now more than ever, this world needs authentic masculine leadership. And that's what we're here to do. And with the Remarkable Man Project, we're here to give you the resources, the tools, and the brotherhood to help you get there. I'm also the author of my groundbreaking book, The Remarkable Man, Champions to Women, Heroes to Children, Brothers to Each Other. I'm the coach for men. I've been working over 13 years helping countless men truly step into their authentic masculine power. And I'm also the creator of the Remarkable Man Project community on Skool. Click the link in the description for all of the above. All right, let's get into the video. You're feeling stuck. It's visceral. It is this thing that's just kind of like an anchor or an albatross around your neck. When a man is not living his true full potential as he knows it is, that is an incredibly disempowering experience. I can tell you this coming from the heart because I've been there. And there are moments where I still get stuck in the shit. I get stuck in the minutia. I get stuck in the drama and the stories. And this one, I get stuck in the fucking lies that I continue to tell myself, that I'm not good enough, or things aren't ready yet, or I'll get caught up in paralysis of analysis. Has that ever happened to you? I bet you're going through it right now. Now, this stuck energy that you have, or this phase that you're going through, and it might be that you have been feeling this for quite some time. We go through chapters in our lives. And as we're flipping the pages of our book that is our life, there are chapters that are amazing. They're an epic adventure. You're like, wow, man, I'm loving this. Wow. And then there are chapters where it's a fucking drama and it's just pulling you down. It's like, oh, how do I get out of this? What the hell? What's going on? And you can compartmentalize it all you want, but chances are it's pervasive. If you are stuck in your business or your side hustle or getting your dream job off the ground, there's probably other aspects of your life that are paying the price as well. And look at the stuck energy in your relationship, or the stuck energy in your dating, or your complete refusal to start dating again. I know so many men that are just done with dating. They would like to, but it's just too much drama. And that is the message that men around the world are getting. And there's a lot of wonderful gurus out there. I follow them. But sometimes that message can be incredibly dark, frustrating, and it is leaving a lot of men incredibly lonely. Oh, sure. Yeah. Going your own way is a good thing if it's great for your mental health, that you feel like, oh, I'm done with this drama. I'm done with the bullshit. I'm done with making it rain with no return. Hey, that's all justifiable. But if you're going your own way and you're done with the drama, but now you find yourself incredibly alone. What's the ROI there? That can be a spiral going down. And that can be where you are stuck, where you're incredibly lonely. You don't have a social life. You're seeing men online, you're seeing buddies or whatever, and they're out every night having the time of their lives. It's happening to them because they aren't stuck in their stories. They're not stuck in the drama that pulls them down. So let's unpack that. Let's get into the root of why you're stuck. There's a part of you, and I did a video on this just the other day about how and why we play small. And this kind of dovetails nicely into this. It's kind of like the 2.0 of that video. That stuck energy is a protection mechanism from your ego. Right now, what's happening is there's a duality going on, and it's a battle within yourself. Because when you're feeling stuck, that energy of frustration, knowing that your best self, your best life is on the other side of your lethargic energy. And a great way to measure this is when you start feeling guilty. Have you ever been doom scrolling for hours on end? And then you catch yourself and you go, oh man, I just blew away 2 hours going through this shit. And you feel guilty. Or you binged watch an entire series in one evening. And yeah, it was great entertainment, but a part of you goes, you just blew 6-8 hours watching the series. You should have been sharpening the saw of your best self, getting better, maybe hitting the gym, writing that business plan, learning more about what you need to learn to be a better man. That part is your higher self. That's the 2.0 version of you. The duality that you're experiencing is coming from the idea that there's two of you in existence. There is the remarkable man. He's out there. He's already kicking ass, taking names, and living that best life. It's a vibrational frequency away. And then there's your stuck self. And the stuck self is there because the ego is protecting you from rejection. It's protecting you from being embarrassed. Oh, if I did that, I'm just going to stammer. If I did that, I would look like an idiot. Gentlemen, I'm telling you, none of my videos are scripted. And I've been called out for having a word salad, or this video doesn't make sense, or there's a lot of talk and no whatever. I just allow myself to give you the message that source needs you to hear. That's my mission. And whenever I press play, I go, what is it that my brothers need to hear right now? What gift can I share with them? And I allow it to come through. Now, this is not automatic. Sometimes I pause too long. And as you know, I edit these videos and I just edit out those pauses. I just edit out. Sometimes I stammer. I just, I want to save you from those stammerings. I'm not perfect, but yet I still do these videos to the best of my ability. I'm investing in new gear, which you'll probably be pretty happy about. But it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm doing these videos because it is my purpose and my passion, regardless of not having everything perfect yet. No, I got to do this. I got to make the Remarkable Man Project channel, and I'm making it happen. I'm getting out of my story. I'm not using that to make me stuck. And this is what I want for you. If you've got a message, a purpose, a passion, don't allow the excuses and the bullshit as to why you can't do something. Make a mess. Look like an idiot. Be your true self, because that's what people want. Your mess, brothers. Your mess is your message. The ugly stuff, the unvarnished you is what the world wants. And when you're stuck, you are so in your ego. You're literally stuck in your ego. And this doesn't mean that you're blustery. You're all that. A lot of people have this erroneous notion as to what the ego really represents. And for most people, that ego is there keeping you safe and secure and small. And this is why I did that video the other day about the small self and how it can dominate. So this is about you getting unstuck. But the only way you can do that is identify why you're stuck in the first place, because you're protecting yourself. That's the only reason you are stuck. You are afraid of what others might think. And the faster you let go of what others think, the faster your freedom becomes. You are able to escape your own self-imposed prison. And that's what I want for you, brother. I want you to imagine that your higher self is the one that's truly driving the bus, not your lower self, the stuck self, the quiet, the demure, the small self that is pulling you back from your aspirations, your dreams, and your goals. Challenge yourself. What can I do today to get myself unstuck? Use the analogy of a car stuck in the mud or stuck in the snow. What is it that gets them unstuck? It's usually someone is pushing them or pulling them, and they're using a little bit of know-how to work the accelerator to get the tires moving. You just need a push. And I'm here to push you, brother. I'm giving you the nudge. And you've done this. If you live in a winter climate, you know that it really doesn't take much to push someone out of the snow. In fact, it was just before Christmas. There was a woman on the other side of my street. The snowplows had blocked her car in with about an 8-inch little mound of snow. And she had gotten the car 2/3 over the snow, but one of the rear tires was a little high centered and it wasn't able to truly get the traction that it needed. And all I needed to do was push and put a little weight on the tire that did have the traction. And that was it. I'm a strong guy, but it really wasn't a whole lot of pushing. There it was. And you, my friend, do not need a whole lot of pushing. You just need a nudge in the right direction. And that's what I want this video to do for you, to wake you up to your brilliance, to wake you up to the remarkable man within. So after you're done this video, I want you to get into meditation and I want you to envision the remarkable man within, every detail, every aspect of him. I want you to see your relationship as loving, nurturing, and sexually dynamic. I want you to see your income as remarkable. I want you to see you being gregarious, confident, charismatic. You've got swagger. You are the embodiment of a champion to the women in your life. You are the embodiment of a hero to your children, and you're a brother to each other. Here's the truth. If you can imagine it, there is a way for him to truly come into fruition. The universe isn't fucking around by giving you a false hope. You are the only one that says you can't. So identify where you're stuck. Identify where the remarkable man within isn't stuck. And then take that energy from the remarkable man and know that it is not a future. You're not seeing the remarkable man as a future self. You're seeing it as a vibrational frequency. He already exists. All you need to do is match the frequency and watch your world unfold. But brother, you got to skin your knees. You got to get into moments where you can be embarrassed. You've got to be comfortable in the mess because those create your best stories. Use my example. I don't have all the gear. I'm not scripting any of this. I'm just allowing it to flow because I have a purpose. I have a message, and I have to deliver that message to you to help you elevate your game so that you will lock in that authentic masculine power and truly start living your remarkable life as the remarkable man that you are. Brother, God damn it. You know you've got a mission. You have so much to give to this world. And by you just allowing your stuckness to dominate, stop that shit. Stop that, brother. I implore you to take this message to heart, that you are so much bigger, so much more powerful than you're giving yourself credit for. And hey, if you're already kicking ass and taking names, you know there's still another level for you. You know this as a truth. And that's where you need to go as well. Start looking at the places and areas of your life that suck right now. How can you truly be remarkable and get them unstuck? And gentlemen, we know that this is a nuanced conversation, and there's so much more to this. It's multifaceted, multi-layered. So I would love to hear your thoughts and feedback on this. Are you stuck? Are you feeling the heavy energy of being stuck? When was the last time you were super embarrassed and now can laugh about it? When was the last time you were super embarrassed and now you can laugh about it? And you've got some amazing stories of just falling flat on your face, but it's now an understanding that your mess back then is your message. Find where your mess is your message. What is it? Leave it in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Yeah, and brothers, if you would like to level up and help you get unstuck, if you're trying everything and it doesn't seem to work, then hit the description and book your one-on-one breakthrough discovery call. Let's have a powerful conversation about where you want your next breakthrough, and you'll come away with a crystal clear plan for what's next, and we can explore if we're a fit to work together. Link in the description. Book your call in my calendar today. And of course, get my book, The Remarkable Man, Champions to Women, Heroes to Children, and Brothers to Each Other. It is a true game changer and will give you the tools and the resources you need to level up your game. And also, join the Remarkable Man Project School community. This is your place for your leadership and accountability and camaraderie and having that brotherhood to support you on your journey. A lot of you are very much alone. Well, join us. Join the Remarkable Man Project School community today. It's free. Link in the description. Brothers, like I said at the beginning, we're in a crazy clown show, woke agenda world that is completely upside down. Now more than ever, this world needs remarkable men. And my question to you is, will you be one of them? Enjoy the rest of your day. Be good to yourself. And remember, you're not alone on the journey. At the Remarkable Man Project, we've got your back. Cheers.